Experience driving perfection in the 2015 Lexus RCF. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Lexus made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power seats. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.